ExpertBook B1 Core i5 13th Gen. Processor: Intel Core i5 1335U processor, 1.3 GHz. Display non-touchscreen, 15.6-inch, FHD, 1920x1080, 16:9, wide view, anti-glare display, LED backlit, 250 nits. 720p HD camera with IR function to support with privacy shutter. ExpertBook B1 is loaded with I/O ports for productivity enhancement. These include USB Type-A, USB Type-C, and an HDMI output, plus wired network connectivity with a unique MAC address for easy device management. Backlit chiclet keyboard, 1.4mm key travel, spill-resistant keyboard. ExpertBook B1 has built-in biometric security, with a fingerprint sensor one for easy access. So, just tap the button to log in, no difficult to remember passwords or PIN required. Great all-around performance. Enjoy heavy-duty performance on ExpertBook B1 with an advanced 13th Gen Intel Core processor, delivering the powerful performance you need to get the job done. Coupled with up to 40 GB memory and capacious storage, ExpertBook B1 is the business laptop that equips you for even the most intensive work and ensures quick access to the content you need. It's also primed for non-stop connectivity, with congestion-busting Wi-Fi 6E for speedy, stable connection. Intel Core i5 1335U processor, 1.3 GHz, 12M cache, up to 4.6 GHz, 10 cores. 8 GB DDR4 on board, memory max up to 40GB. 512 GB M2 2280 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD. Intel UHD graphics. Power supply Type-C, 65W AC adapter, output 20 volts DC, 3.25A. Battery 42Wh, 3S1P, 3-cell Li-ion long-life rechargeable lithium polymer battery. Audio by Dirac built-in speaker, built-in array microphone.